Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Friday, December the 27th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. It's 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. The room is open from 9 to 3 every day, well, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen. I'm live on the mic. And in the email that you are getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. So a very light trading day today for me. And actually the AI was very light also. Kind of the worst day I've seen for the AI in a long time. Nothing really struck out or really happened in terms of a big percentage gain today. That's the first time probably in several weeks that I've seen that. So this was a day maybe just to kind of pause a little bit. This one was kind of interesting. I actually took this trade, the space trade, SPCE, at 113, and I got out of it all right around here, in pieces, but sort of an average of 1133, right in this level here. And then right after that, I guess it was announced, they were talking about it on CNBC, and it just absolutely popped. The other one that did that too was Michaels. Same sort of thing. I wasn't in this one, but it had a big pop as it was being talked about on CNBC. This could be an interesting one because they've had a change in CEO. Somebody from Walmart's is now taking over MIK. It's interesting in that the news did come out pre-market, and that you can see that initial candle. That's actually was at 9:15. So that was the news hit that a new CEO was taking over, and the stock popped. But then once the market opened, it just dropped as if, okay, who cares? But after that, it's had a really nice run. This has a potential, if you take a look at it on the weekly chart, it has a potential at maybe being a multi-day runner. I mean, that is the sort of news that will, obviously spark some attention. So you might want to keep an eye on that depending on how this closes today. You might want to really watch this on Monday and see if it has continuation. Probably some resistance on that weekly, about 821. If it can get through there, though, it has a shot to get up to this level here. So we'll have to see if that news really helps. The SPCE, there's another one that could be interesting also. I mean, there is the high, lifetime high. It's changed symbol names. It's not an IPO. So the high is up 1295. It's had a nice 3 weeks. I mean, this is the last week, of course. This is the third week. So it's had a nice 3 weeks as it popped off that bottom of 7. And so we'll have to see. Keep an eye on this one definitely next week. If it can take out this high, this could have a nice little run in it. So anyway, that's about it. We had a couple of early, I'm going to call them disaster alerts. This is sort of indicative of what happened early on in the day anyway. We had an alert here for TTPH, looked pretty good. The weekly, the daily, the monthly looked great, and then all of a sudden it just collapsed. The other one was RUHN, same sort of thing. Beautiful looking on the monthly and the daily, and then all of a sudden it just collapsed. So it was really nothing to do with the market. The market was really kind of flat. But, there's a lot of kind of non-trending type trades today, which really, it can be very difficult to trade. We had some big, I think was it I can't remember. We had one that just absolutely ripped early on. See if I can find it here. Oh, I can't. This is one that I still am interested in, though it kind of gave it up, ASRT. Watch this one for a long time. It really just has to take out this up here, 170. It'll show you why. Take a look at it on the weekly chart, and just look what it did. It got up there and it just stalled. And if it can take that out next week, it has a nice gap to potentially fill. I think that the 200-day moving average is at 251, so it's up in this area. But, if it can take out 170 next week, I don't think it's going to do it today. It almost did it. If you take a look, I'll have to get back to that 15-minute time frame. You can see it just about did it. There's my alert sitting, I think, at 170, and it just wouldn't do it. So there's one to watch next week. But anyway, that's about it. Kind of a very slow day trading-wise for me. So I'll shut that chart down, bring back the capture program. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you in the trading room Monday morning. Bye-bye.